Hello students, today we will see unit number 3 chapter number 11 operating system. Okay, today we will see about operating system, that is Windows 7. Okay, operating system is what? Operating system is the main software of a computer that will work in between the software and hardware. Okay, that work as an interface between hardware and software. It is the main software. Without the operating system you cannot work with hardware as well as software. Okay, it play the important role in a computer. All these things we will do with the help of operating system. Okay, it is the main software. You cannot install application software, or you cannot use any hardware like input device, output device, memory, any other devices you cannot use without operating system. Okay, it is the main software or big software of a computer. If we talk about mobile is there is Android. Okay, Android is the operating system for mobile, and some operating system of computer like Windows 7, Windows XP, Linux, Ubuntu, these all are example of computer operating system. But in this chapter we will see about Windows 7 operating system. Okay, Windows 7 operating system is a graphical user interface. Okay, Windows 7 based on graphical user interface because all the things are given in the form of graphics. Okay, but in case of command user interface you have to interact with the help of command. Okay, all these things you will do with the help of command. You have to remember the command. But in case of Windows 7 all the things are given in the form of graphics, and it is very easy to work with computer if you interact with the help of graphics. Okay, simply you can run anything, you can open anything, you can cut, copy, paste, different type of operations you can do easily if you are using graphical user interface. Okay, and Windows 7 is based on graphical user interface. Some of the features of Windows 7 as you can see in the screen, that is easy to use, multitasking, searching made easier, pinning to taskbar, area pick, live taskbar preview. These are some features of Windows 7. There are various other features of Windows 7. Okay, then we will see how can we start Windows. How can we start Windows? I think you all know, if you are using desktop computer or laptop computer. If you are using desktop computer, then you have to first start the power button, then you will click on the power button on the CPU. You will press the power button on the CPU, then window will be open. Okay, whenever window will open you will see the desktop screen of the computer. The first window after opening Windows 7 is known as desktop screen. The first window is known as desktop screen, and some of the icons you can see when you will open the Windows 7 operating system, like computer icon, recycle bin icon. Okay, at the bottom side you will see there is a taskbar, and the bottom left corner you will see one start button. Okay, taskbar, what is okay, see some icons first. Okay, icons represent the software. Okay, like recycle bin, computer icon, you will simply double click on that icon, that will be open in front of you now. Similarly taskbar, whatever you will perform in a computer, that will open in the taskbar. And start button, there is a start button. When you will click on a start button you will see all the installed software in a computer. Okay, it shows the taskbar. You can see this is taskbar. No, this is place bottom side of the desktop screen. Okay, at the left side there is a start button. What is the use of a start button? When you will click on a start button you will see all the installed program on your computer. Okay, suppose you want to open MS Office and the icon of MS Office does not present in the desktop screen. You will click on the start button, then you will see all program. In all program you have to search the Microsoft Office. Okay, then you will click on that icon, that will be open in front of you. Other task also you can add some task in the taskbar, or you can remove the task from taskbar. This features is provided by the operating system. Okay, at the right side you will see notification area. Notification, I think you all know about notification. Whenever any notification come, then you can see in the notification area, and some other options are given like Wi-Fi option. Okay, sound option, and some other options. You can see date and time, you can see on the notification area. Okay, this is the quick launch bar. Okay, this is all about the taskbar. Okay, taskbar, when you will open computer, the first window is known as desktop screen, and in the desktop screen you will see some icons like computer icon, recycle bin icon, and the bottom side you will see taskbar. Okay, taskbar, and taskbar contain these all things. Okay. Okay. Okay, some of the options are given when you will open when you will click on start button. These options you can see like documents, pictures, music, games, computer, control panel, device and printers, default programs, help and support. All these things you will see when you will click on start button. Okay. One more option are given like shut down your computer. How can we shut down a computer? I think you all know. Simply you will click on the start button. There will be given shut down. Okay, shut down. We will click on shut down. Your computer will be shut down. Okay, thank you.